the Kakkadampoyil Falls is another great area for rock climbing, as a matter of fact. I think all these places over here they have sort of a two-in-one facility. It's not just we get to see the waterfalls and splash ourselves in these waters. At the same time, we can actually climb these rocks and have lots and lots of adventure. It's like, you know, a mini package of trekking. So I think I have enough and more adventure for a single day. We were like completely enjoying ourselves, me and my full team, climbing the rock, playing in the water, and it was so much fun. So don't forget that a tip that I told you, that is, when you're coming to such places for adventure, that may be rock climbing or anything, that maybe no matter what the time is, that is a morning, noon or evening, don't forget to take lots and lots of water in your hand. And at the same time, if you're planning on to climb lots of rock and go about exploring the mountains, make sure that you have a trekking shoes so that you don't slip and fall. I'll be just for a while going down. I want to refresh, I want to wash my hands and wash my face in this very clean and cold water at the Kakkadampoyil Falls. Talking about travel and journey, there's actually lots and lots of places where we could actually go, enjoy, relax, take a break and everything. But when you're going to a particular place, there is a difference when you go to a place that is well known, a place that you already know each and every particular detail, small details about it from maybe from your friends, relatives or anyone who had been to that place. But when you're going to a particular spot that is a new place, maybe not that much identified among the people, and if you are the first person to come to that particular area with a blank, when you're completely blank and you just come over there and you spot each and everything in that particular area, it is more exciting. It is like, a more rejuvenating and more energetic feeling that you get to such place.